how to hide your followers list on TikTok and Instagram. This is a simple setting that can stop people from seeing your followers list, even if the person is one of your followers. Let's start with TikTok. If you want to hide your followers list on TikTok, so just do exactly what I'm about to show you on my screen right now. First, open your TikTok app and go to your profile page. Just like this, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see the menu icon with three lines. Tap on it. And then after that, click on settings and privacy. This section contains different settings for your TikTok account. So now look for privacy and tap on it. Once the privacy page opens, scroll down slowly until you see following list. Tap on following list and change the settings to only me. So that is it. Once you do that, nobody else will be able to see your followers or following list. You are now the only person that can see it. Even people following you will not see the list anymore. If later you want people to see it again, simply come back to this same setting and change it to everyone. That is all for TikTok. Now let's move over to Instagram. Listen carefully here because many videos online are giving wrong information about this. So open your Instagram app and go to your profile page. Just like TikTok, tap the menu button at the top right corner and then go to settings. From there, look for privacy settings. Now, this is the important part. So on Instagram, there is currently no direct setting that allows you to completely hide your followers list from people. The only privacy option available is setting your account to private. But Instagram still does not give a special option to fully hide your followers list the way TikTok does. If you keep searching through the settings, you will not find any button that says hide followers list. That feature is not available on Instagram yet. It already works on other platforms like TikTok, but Instagram has not added it yet at the time of making this video. I hope this video saved you from fake tutorials online. So if you still have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorial just like this one.